Hey guys, welcome back. Today I want to show you a short tutorial on how to deactivate your Facebook account by Facebook app on your mobile phone. This process can help you in deleting your Facebook account permanently as well. So let's open up your Facebook app and tap on the three lines at the top right of the screen. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, then tap on Settings. Scroll all the way down to your Facebook information section and tap on Account Ownership and Control. Select Deactivation and Deletion. Then select Deactivate Account and tap on Continue to Account Deactivation. Facebook will ask you a reason. You can select any options and press Continue. Once you do that, Facebook will ask you to confirm twice and you need to tap on Deactivate My Account. Once you do that, Facebook will log you out of your account from all devices and you'll be brought back to the login page. You need to remember that you have only been deactivated from Facebook. You will continue to receive notifications in your email when your friends or family tag you in a post. You can simply activate your Facebook account by logging back in. Thanks so much for watching this video guys. Please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to this channel for easy to follow tutorials on social media apps and video editing applications. I'll see you in the next one.